Difference between del, remove, and pop on lists. Is there any difference between these three methods to remove an element from a list?
The effects of the three different methods to remove an element from a list. Remove removes the first matching value, not a specific index. Del removes the item at a specific index. And pop removes the item at a specific index and returns it. Their error modes are different too.
Use del to remove an element by index, pop, to remove it by index if you need the return value, and remove, to delete an element by value. The last requires searching the list, and raises value error if no such value occurs in the list. When deleting index I from a list of n elements, the computational complexities of these methods are:
Since no one else has mentioned it, note that del, unlike pop, allows the removal of a range of indexes because of list slicing. This also allows avoidance of an indexer if the index is not in the list.
Already answered quite well by others. This one from my end, smiley face. Evidently, pop is the only one which returns the value, and remove is the only one which searches the object, while del limits itself to a simple deletion.
If you want this channel, please consider liking and subscribing.